I'm Wonderbeard the Pirate, here to vlog you day by day, vlog by vlog, teaching you how to turn trash into cash and how to turn junk into something of a joy to be
Ladies and
displayed, to be
gentlemen,
appreciated.
presenting the only
I'm
disco song
Wonderbeard the
that won a
Pirate,
Grammy Award. The only one. Okay? And this song title is I Will Survive. Presenting. Chugudug. At first I was afraid, I was petrified. I kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along, and so you're back. Chug, 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 chug. From outer space, chug, chug. I just walked in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid look. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd known for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Dun, 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 chug, chug, chug. Go on now. Go walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I'd crumble? You think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, not I. I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love. I know I'll stay alive. I've got all my life to live. I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. Hey, hey, yeah. Woo! How about that, folks? It's kind of faulty and mislyricked, pero still I got it through. That was by Miss Gloria Gaynor way back in the 70s. Now imagine that. You can still check out the official video on YouTube. All right, fine. Okay, so folks, with that we conclude our opening song number. How do you do? It's me again, Wonderbeard the Pirate, here vlogging you from beautiful Quezon City, Philippines. Kinda late na, about 6:29 in the AM, right? As usual, we start from the beginning because we don't start at the end, of course, no? We get lots of supporting vlogs, and our main vlog item has something to do with a radio or two radios, old radios. Wow. Radio Gaga. Radio Gaga. Radio comes through. Radio, someone still loves you. Dun, 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 dun. Right, okay. So, but first we have our English lesson to make you a better Englishman or woman. Okay, just a minute. Switching to Professor Pirate mode. All right, Professor Pirate mode. Okay, look at this, no? Okay, we have the first one. We have the word, balik that. We have triumphant. From the word triumph, meron siyang A-N-T, triumphant, meaning successful. Successful. His triumph is very good for all. Yun. Okay, then, itong word choose, so may nag-private message sa akin, nalilito siya sa choose. Okay, yung choose, pipili ka. Yung past tense ay chose, isang O lang. Tapos yung past participle ay chosen. Okay, so choose, chose, and then chosen. Yung past participle, yung it just happened a while ago. Nangyari lang. For example, he had chosen his wife online. O yun, di ba? That's funny. Then we have dive. Isa pa to. Dive, past tense ay dove. Past participle ay dove also. Pero may mga ibang verbs na flexible. This is a flexible verb. Pwede siyang dive, dived, may ed sa dulo, dived. Okay, pwede. Or dove. Flexible verb yun. Okay, ito. This is not nuisance, nuisangke, no. This is nuisance. N-U-I is pronounced nu. Nuisance. May nagbibigay ng problema. He was a nuisance candidate, meaning a candidate who gave problems to all. Ayun. Okay. Elections na by next year, marami na naman mga nuisance candidates na nagbibigay ng problema. To belittle. Hindi ka liliit, no? Hindi. Nililiit ka. They are belittling. Nililiit. For example, may isang mama, meron siyang ginawang kotse. Yung kotse runs on water. So now they will belittle the car parang as if walang kwenta yung ginawa niyang kotse. To belittle, to make it worthless or useless. Okay? Di ba, every time may nag-i-sneeze, hatchu, sasabihin mo, bless you, bless you. Bakit ganun? Ha? Hatchu, oh, bless you. Bakit? Kasi when you say bless you, kasi pag, sabi raw, pag nag-hatching ka, lumalabas yung soul mo, yung spirit mo, yung lakas ng katawan mo. But when you say bless you, babalik sa'yo. Yan ang idea nun, so bless you. Or God bless you. Okay? Don't forget that. She is wearing skimpy clothing. Skimpy clothing. Ano yan? Pag sinabing skimpy, yung masyadong revealing. Naka-mini skirt, o kaya naka-shorty shorts, naka-sando lang. Okay? So, those are skimpy clothing. They should be decent and wear better clothing. And finally, bakit sinasabi like, I'll drink to your health? See? I'll drink to your health. Bakit ganun? Bakit sinasabi, I'll drink to your health? Sinasabi yan kasi, para siyang para siyang honor sa'yo. Yan lang iinuman, tapos gagawin ko, drink to your health. Ayan, ibig sabihin, hoping that you'll become healthy always. Na lagi kang strong. Sa bagay, yung liquor daw, if taken moderately, will help your body. If taken too much, will hurt your body. Oh, kaya be careful. Okay? So with that, we conclude our English lesson for this time. We will now move forward to our supporting vlogs so we can let you learn something more about junk into joy and trash into treasure. Okay? Switching back to pirate mode. Boom. We get lots of vlog items here, supporting vlogs, and we'll move to the pinaka main vlog, which is about radios, lumang radios. Okay? Right. So first we have this pair of guns. Nakita ko sa bodega ko. Got this years ago sa isang magbobote. Okay, you see? We have two guns here. Toy guns. Okay? Ito yung shall we say, kapag para siyang props lang, nag-click-click. Gumagano siya. Okay? Maganda kanyang design, no? Oh, maganda kanyang specific design. Beautiful. And ano pa siya? Gold-colored. Okay? Doesn't work eh. Ayaw mag-click-click na. Nasira yung spring. And this one is an electronic cowboy gun. You can put batteries inside here. When you press the trigger or pull the trigger, it's gonna make all kinds of fire, all kinds of oh, meron pa siyang red light inside, which means that this is umiilaw pa siya. Ay, look at this, oh. Meron pa siyang antena. Antena? Bakit kaya? This is a radio? Hindi. I will have to investigate pa bakit meron pang antena. Remote controller? I don't know. Okay, I will investigate. I will update you about this unusual toy pistol that makes sound. Okay? So, ayun. Good as props. Okay? Then, alam niyo yung National Geographic? National Geographic is one of the most respected magazines in the world. Meron pa siyang cable site nakalagay, National Geographic. Ganda ng mga videos nila. Okay? So, ito yung kanilang magazine. It's called National Geographic. Medyo kulubot na, pasensya na. Look at this, no? Sa harap, may isang astronaut sa labas na kanyang space capsule floating in space. Imagine that. Nag-float siya. And this magazine is from the year 1964. Oh, during this time, hindi pa nagla-landing yung man on the moon, which happened in 1969. Okay? So, let's open it up. Ang daming mga old stuff dito eh. Okay? Including the funeral of President John F. Kennedy. Kasi he was assassinated in 1963. And then 1 year later, they came out with this magazine. Kasi nga, na-assassinate nga si President Kennedy. And they're giving all kinds of tribute to the President. Oh, haba ng procession, no? You see? Haba ng procession nung namatay si Kennedy. Assassinated. And sinong Philippine President was here in 1964, kundi yung tatay ni Gloria na si Diosdado Macapagal. That's right. So, that's what happened way back O, ayan pa naman. Ayan si Jackie Kennedy Onassis. Yung asawa ni President Kennedy. O, wala, namatay yung president. He was assassinated. And the assassination was actually filmed. And you can see the assassination 8mm video sa YouTube. Lagyan nyo lang, JFK assassination. Anyway, going back here, we have the US astronaut. O, ayan siya yung space capsule. Tamang-tama, yung Mars rover na si Provenance ay nasa Mars ngayon, getting all kinds of info and data to be brought back to Earth. You see? Ayan. So, magbasa kayo. Maraming English dito. Maraming scientific knowledge that you can adopt and learn. Okay? Medyo kulubot pero pasensya na. Then, we have this pipe. Another pipe that I got. You see? It's made of wood. It's made of parang bamboo yung dulo. Okay? Very nicely made. Actually, this is my official pipe na nakuha ko sa magbobote. Last year pa. Very clean, very alcohol. Ito yung bago sa bodega ko. Yung mga nasa bodega, galing yan sa magbobote. O sa mga thrift shops. See? Still in very good condition. May collection na ako. And I don't know if I'll sell this one. Ito hindi. Ito malamang I might sell it. I will update you in the future. Okay? And finally, for our last vlog item, I have here something from First Lady Imelda Marcos. Former First Lady Imelda Marcos, no? Okay? Nakita ko sa bodega only this morning. Only this morning nakita ko sa bodega. Right, okay? What is it? It's a 1978 calendar with Imelda Marcos in front. Oh, just a minute, hahanapin ko lang yung better quality. Ito po. Ayan siya, may butas yung gitna, no? Ayan, so this is it. This is President tuloy. O pwede, President Marcos' wife na si Imelda Marcos, and the year was 1978. Meron siyang message nakalagay, ang sa inyo nagmamahal, Imelda. Okay, First Lady of Metro Manila, and she was not only was she the First Lady, she was the Metro Manila Governor. That was 1978. Tagal nito, no? You see, buti I saved them. Malamang galing sa junk shop. I might sell a few kasi these are very nice collector's items ni Imelda Marcos, who was once a beauty queen, and she was known as the Muse of Manila way back mga 1965, 64, mga ganon. You see? Right. Okay, so we conclude that na our supportive vlogs. Now we go to, as promised, we have our items about 2 old radios. Ladies and gentlemen, from the magbobote, I remember I got these two radios. Okay? And kakaiba sila kasi not only are they radios, they are shortwave radios. Okay? Ano sila? AM, FM. At meron pang 6 o 4 na shortwave bands. Ano yun? Pag sinabing shortwave bands, you can get other countries. Okay? So, with no longer further ado, I will now shoot the first one. It's kind of heavy, pero ganun talaga. Just a minute, folks. Alright, here we go. We have the first one. Bringing it up. Ang bigat. You see? Ayan, you see? This is a shortwave radio. Dalawa ang kanyang antena. We have this one here, yung telescopic antenna. At saka isa meron pa sa likod. Tataas ko lang. Ayun, you see? There is the antenna at the back part. Ang tatak niya ay National Panasonic. Okay? And this is used, nakalagay AM, FM, at saka 6 na shortwave bands. Okay? You see? Yan ang bigat niya. It's heavy. Okay? Plinag ko na. Ito yung original cord, no? Ito yung original cord sa likod. Kaya lang, ayaw na mag-on, syempre. Kasi 1960s pa to. Okay, 1960. Ito yung original cord, no? And syempre, ayaw na mag-work. Kailangan pagagawa ko pa to. The tuning, ito yung tuning niya sa side, iikot-ikot mo yan. And this one will also turn around. You can check other countries if you want. Like what countries? May India, Australia, Japan, Singapore, Cubao tuloy. Many countries, you can get them. And then makikinig kayo sa kanilang broadcast. Siyempre, pag Singapore, they speak Singaporean. Pag Japan, they speak Japanese. Kapag Australia, they speak English. And you can even get the USA. You see? That's just one radio. Ito yung pangalawa. Okay? Ito yung pangalawa. Bring it up to show you. It's kind of heavy again. Okay. Yun ang itsura niya, you see? It's also an AM, FM, and shortwave radio. 4 ang kanyang shortwave band. Okay? The tuning still is good. Umiikot pa sa yung red na symbol. Umiikot siya. And then, the speaker can be found at the side. Makita natin, Ayan yung speaker sa side niya. Okay? So, maganda kanyang condition. I mean, sa harap. Inside, I don't know. Some knobs yung iniikot are missing. So, I will have to find some. Now, ang tanong, will I restore this? Parang gusto ko It might cost a lot of money, pero I would like to listen. Bakit hindi? I would like to listen to Japan, India, China, what's happening out there. Very powerful ang kanyang antennas built-in na sa loob. Now, I don't know where I can have that repair, Siguro kung may repairman, kailangan magaling siya. Next probably is baka may mga tubo, alam mo, dati, imbes na mga transistors, resistors, mga tubo, mga tubes nakalagay sa loob. They will have to replace that with something else na mas modern. Di ba? Alam mo, you can still buy radios ngayon 2021 na may AM, FM saka shortwave band. Mas powerful at mas maliit. Kaya lang you have to spend a little bit more. Kahit nagawa sa China. So you go to SM North EDSA or many or Abenson, and who knows, baka meron dyan makikita mga radyo that you can use. You can listen. And you can know information about the other countries. You see? So I hope you learned something about these radios. I hope you try to expand your mind, go beyond the 4 walls of your house, and try to explore through radio. See, hindi ka na kailangan lumakbay kasi pandemic. Just listen to the news all around the world, from Japan, even the USA. Imagine that, okay? If you can't communicate, nakikinig ka lang. Pero if you communicate with them, ano na yan? Ham radio na yun. Ibang department na yan, okay? So with that, we conclude our vlog at this time. Thank you for vlogging with me. I will see you again next time. And please don't forget to give me a good like kasi I like you, a good subscribe, and give me good comments. Yung bang, Wonderbird, yung daddy ko mayroong shortwave radio. Nakuha namin yung Singapore last night. Wow, that's nice. Okay? So, with that, I conclude to you on behalf of me and Imelda Marcos. Okay? On behalf of me and Imelda Marcos, I would like to say to you that wherever you go, you will surely be there. Bye. We love you.